Hello, my name is Christopher Corbin. I'm the manager of technology at West Virginia Northern Community College. We are a tri-campus community college located in Wheeling, Weirton, and New Martinsville. Students can attend Northern and either get an associate's degree or start at Northern and transfer to a four-year school and continue their education. I think it was around 2014 we had put out to have all of our doors secured, because before that point we were using keys. We opened the doors and you could come in and out anytime you wanted to. And we have classes from 7:30 in the morning until the latest classes get out at 11 o'clock at night. So you have those doors unlocked with just anybody can come in. So we put out a bid to have all of our doors secured and to replace our security cameras. We had all of our doors on all three campuses secured with the DSX system. And then we installed ONSSI across all three campuses, tying in the security system into one unit. So we could view it from one location, every camera on every campus. We requested the ability to lock the systems down with the swiping of the cards. And Dagostino came through and built that functionality into the system for us. So now we can lock a building down by simply swiping our card against a door reader. The Wesco building was purchased to expand our technology programs. The welding and petroleum technology was jammed into a little space in a building across our campus. And so when they purchased this, it seemed like a perfect opportunity to move those programs into state-of-the-art places so that they can do their welding in a safer, larger environment. Choosing Dagostino to install our DSX and ONSI systems in this building, our new building, was a simple choice. It integrates into our system completely as it already is. The work that has been done in the past was wonderful, easy. Nobody had to really lift a finger to do anything on our end. And it was just the simple choice for us. Having the security system, the surveillance system on all three campuses and it being monitored all the time really gives us a peace of mind to our safety. DES has come through with every request we've ever asked and has accomplished it. Even when we've asked them for stuff the systems can't do, they made it happen. And I know that once it's all said and done, it's going to be done and it'll be right. That's what the thing with Dagostino has been so far, is the work's done, and if something's wrong, they come and fix it. That's the best part. Go Thundering Chickens.